How to make an erupting volcano. Here's what you'll need for this experiment: a tray, popsicle stick, 2 small cups, baking soda, vinegar, a small bottle, measuring spoons and measuring cups, tape, red food coloring, modeling clay, toothpicks, scissors, and these templates. Cut out the volcano labels and tape each label onto a toothpick. You can also laminate the labels so that they won't get wet during the experiment. Make a funnel by cutting out the piece of the circle on the template. Then gently fold the 2 ends together, but leave an opening at the top so that things can get poured through it. Take the cap off the small bottle. Then use the modeling clay to build a volcano onto the bottle. Make sure not to cover the bottle opening and leave a section clear on the back so you can see the magma bubbling during the experiment. I also pressed some of the modeling clay onto the tray to help hold the bottle in place. Measure and scoop the baking soda and pour into one of your small cups. Pour the baking soda into the bottle by using the funnel. You will pour in all of the baking soda that you measured. Measure the vinegar and pour into your other small cup. Add 3 to 4 drops of food coloring into the vinegar and stir with a popsicle stick. Using the funnel, carefully pour the vinegar into the bottle. The reaction is really quick, so make sure to move that funnel out of the way. You might have a little bit of vinegar left over. You can carefully pour that in and see if anything happens. Once your lava is done flowing out of your volcano, now label each of the parts of your erupting volcano.